Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at stockmarketmentor.com, and it is Monday, April 6th. I want to look at First Solar here, but first, let's step back and look at the ETF. The Solar ETF tan, like that, only I don't think there's any tanning salons in there. Anyway, this has been a top performer this year. I mean, look at where this has been. Let me get to these. Okay, the 31st. Okay, I hear all these guys talking about, you know, how, oil's been the strongest performer this year. Dude, go solar. It's up 36% during this year. That's a pretty big move. I looked at, you know, some of these stocks. They've already made some nice moves. Ultimately, this is where I want to go. First Solar is still in a volatility squeeze. The stock has also had a monster move so far this year, so it's been one of the big ones, but it's already made its move. Now what I want to do is I want to start looking for a breakout that will take this to the next leg higher. So what I would suggest you do is put a stop, or I mean not a stop, put an alert at like 63.10, which I think was, let's see, this last, 63.10. Put an alert at 63.10, and then if the stock hits that level, your attention's drawn back to it. You can look at it. If it looks like it's moving higher from there, then you buy it on this breakout and then ride it up as long as you can, but it could move for a while. Those of you who are Elon Musk fans, can look at buying Solar City, but this is totally different. I'm not looking at this and saying like, wow, this is about to break out, going to move up to 70 bucks. Okay, this one I could say might move up to 70 bucks, but here, Solar City, this has been forming a base for months and months and months. I would just say watch this stock. If you're long the stock, frankly, I don't know why, unless you're really, really patient. But the stock has support. You could say, at 50 bucks. What does that mean? That then if the stock breaks below 50, you sell? No, it actually has support clear down here at about 46. And it has resistance right up here at about 58. So you're right in the middle of congestion in a stock that's traded sideways forever. About the only thing to do on this stock, and it's a little pricey from a nominal standpoint or a dollar standpoint to do this, but about the only thing to be doing on this is selling puts or writing covered calls, something like that. But you can do that here. I just like this idea of watching First Solar for the next leg higher. Okay, members, I've got some energy names I want you to look at, and that's kind of new, and then a whole bunch of other stocks that are starting to work. So it looks like we're getting a little bit of a buy signal from the S&P, at least a few more days. And so I want you to be able to capitalize on that.